Let's face it, if you're a content creator, podcast, or make any kind of media, good audio is a must. If your content has bad audio, people will click away faster than Microsoft pushes out updates. So in this video, we're going to look at an app that cleans up your audio and delivers professional quality results for free. It's called Auphonic. It takes your audio and makes it sound amazing by applying such effects as balancing, which keeps your sound even on both the left and right speakers, normalization, which keeps your volume consistent so you don't get these sudden loud spikes, noise reduction, which removes unwanted background noise, a high-pass filter, which cuts out the low frequencies that most people can't hear anyway, giving you a better overall sound. In short, Auphonic processes your audio so you don't have to spend hours editing. Your recordings come out cleaner, clearer, and ready to share. To show you how it works, here is a raw audio clip I recorded without any audio effects, left the studio door open, and it just so happened that day our windows were open and someone was, yes indeed, using a lawnmower. Let's see how it sounds. Here's a sample piece of audio to be put through Auphonic. There's actually a lawnmower running in the background. The studio door is open and all of the fun filters have been turned off. So let's just see how well Auphonic does. Oof, all right, that's pretty bad. Okay, so now we have an idea of what we're working with. Let's see how well Auphonic performs. Start off by going to auphonic.com and create your free account by using the email of your choice. So here's how it works. You want to first open your video editor, make sure the video has been fully edited and ready to publish, and then just export the audio portion of it. Personally, I use Camtasia, so in this case, I would click Export, Export Audio Only, but no doubt, CapCut, Premiere, and DaVinci all have similar export options. After you've exported the audio, go back to Auphonic and upload it by clicking where it says Drop Audio, Video File, or Record. Once it's been uploaded, the default voice cleaner settings will give you the best results. So just click Start Production and let Auphonic do its thing. All right, looks like we're done. How about we click play and see how it sounds? Here's a sample piece of audio to be put through Auphonic. There's actually a lawnmower running in the background. The studio door is open and all of the fun filters have been turned off. So let's just see how well Auphonic does.
Free audio post-production by Auphonic.com.
Okay, well, that's pretty good, and you can easily tell the difference. Now, even though there's a jingle at the end, that's okay because you can always edit it out. If you're satisfied with the way your track sounds, go ahead and download it, and the final step is to import the new track into your video editor and synchronize everything together. But if you want to take your audio one step further, you can use Auphonic's custom features. Click New Production, and you'll see this custom settings screen. The first step is to upload your audio. Now, most of these settings are pretty straightforward, and if you ever need help, just hover over the question mark and you'll get some quick tips. For today, let's focus on the most useful options. For the output options, it's a good idea to go with a WAV 24-bit because the audio isn't compressed and it gives you a better overall quality, but the downside is the file is larger, so you'll have to make a choice as to which format is best for you. Now, where you really can get granular with your editing is in this section labeled Audio Algorithm. If we click the settings icon with the adaptive leveler, we can fine-tune how your audio levels are adjusted. The next section is the loudness normalization, which makes your audio consistent and it doesn't have any peaks. So, depending on your platform, you can choose the LUFS level that fits your needs. And last is the noise reduction, which is important because it will remove all the unwanted noise except for the speech. Once you have everything configured the way you want, just click Start Production and download the completed audio. Now, Auphonic offers you 2 hours of audio for free before they want you to upgrade, which is honestly a really good deal. You can check out their pricing below, and that'll do it for this one. Don't be shy about that like, share, and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts below, and feel free to check this out.